mystery tackle box.
Lucky tackle box. We don't give Lucky tackle box our business anymore. I need a knife. No knife.
I'll go get it.
No, it's okay. Tell them what we got.
Lucky mystery tackle box.
We got a mystery tackle box today. Gotta make it quick because we want to do some fishing. You don't want to go fishing? All right, let's see what we got here. Are you gonna read, Joe?
Mm-hmm.
Got the dibble. We got a little note here. What's this? Oh, piece of paper with the what's inside. Don't lose that. It's wind's blowing. So, first things first, should we show them the sticker? Look at the sticker. Pretty sweet, isn't it? So here's the sticker. Yeah, sorry about this. I'm using my crappy lens today. That's a pretty cool sticker. Fish on. Alright, what's the first one, Joe?
Lunker Hunt Yappa Bug.
Lunker Hunt. What is it?
Yappa.
Lunker Hunt Yappa Bug. Alright. What was that?
That's the second one.
There it is. Ooh. That's cool. Lunker Hunt Yappa Bug. Interesting. Kind of looks like a locust. Yappa Bug. Cool. White. Top water. Sweet. We're going to have to use that. Okay, how much is that?
$9.29.
$9.29. Alright, what's next?
Jenko Fishing Trapline Rip Knocker. $8.99.
Janko Fishing
Trapline Rip Knocker.
Trapline Rip Knocker. Okay. Lipless. Doesn't come. Okay. This is the citrus shad. It's like one treble hook. It's got one treble hook that's not in it. Huh. Not sure how that works. Old box. Oh, it's a line through. Okay. Okay. So that's it.
Next one.
Here's the hook it came with. Seems pretty sharp. Interesting.
Ready for the next one?
How much was that one, Joe?
$8.99.
$8.99. Okay, what's the next one?
Savage Gear 3D Minnow. $7.99.
Savage Gear 3D Minnow. $7.99. It's a diver. Floating. Runs 4 to 8 feet. Cool color. This is the blue minnow color. Quiet knockers in there. How much is that?
$7.99.
$7.99. Okay, what's next?
Carl's Amazing Baits spinner bait.
Could always use more spinner baits.
$5.99.
$5.99. Chartreuse white. Some willow leaves. What's next?
Northland Tackle Impulse Dipstick. $5.79.
What'd you call me? A dipstick?
No, it's a Northland Tackle Impulse Dipstick.
Okay. Northland Tackle Impulse dipstick. So some Senkos.
$5.79.
Assorted. They're all black and blue. How much?
$5.79.
There's 8 of them. $5.79. That's pretty good. Black with blue clay. We'll definitely use those. What's next?
Hard Hats Jig Excavator. $3.99.
3/16 ounce shaky head jigs from Hard Hat Jigs. Alrighty. Last but not least,
Cream Lure Split Trailers.
split tail trailers. White in color. 5 of them. Huh. I bet you these will work, Joe. Put this on the back of that spinnerbait. Pretty sweet. That's a good box. I like that box. You like that box? It's a good box. Well, hope everyone's doing good with all this stay-at-home crap we got going on. Unfortunately, the bad part about all this is there's a lot of people fishing on the big lakes. Joe and I went to Pleasant Hill the other day. Maybe I'll throw a picture up there of what we caught. Big old smallmouth. But there was a lot of people on the lakes. Normally it's not like that. But that's good. People are getting out and fishing. So kudos to that. You got anything else you want to tell them? You got nothing you want to tell them? Are you enjoying your time off school? Enjoying the time off school, all the kids are, except we're still doing all the homework, just like they would be. I'm running a pretty strict household when it comes to the schoolwork, aren't I? Yeah. We got no choice. We got to do it. It's got to happen. Well, we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you wouldn't mind doing so. We greatly appreciate it. Especially just hitting that like button if you liked it. If you don't like it, don't hit it. Right? Nothing you want to tell them? Alright, you want to go fishing? You want to go fishing?
Yes.
Yeah. He wants to play and jump on the trampoline. Alright, we're going to do some fishing. Thanks for watching.